Hello, my name is Benjamin Z. Miller, and today I'm going to be answering your question, Brady. Your question is, if you have a large amount of money, should you invest in real estate or are you better off with the stock market? Great question, and I'm glad you asked it. Let me give you my view on it. You're going to do better in almost all cases placing the money in real estate. For every Tesla stock or company, or for every Microsoft or Facebook, there are disasters that are all over the place. You can find so many companies that went bankrupt. It's unbelievable. You would do better with simple index investing instead of trying to play Warren Buffett guessing which stock will go up. But the comparison between real estate and stock, it's important what type of real estate. In particular, you should be looking to invest in multifamily apartment complexes as a limited partner. The stock market is so hyped up and promoted since so many middlemen and brokers earn commissions on it. In reality, it does not perform as well as real estate over the long term. And this is a comparison of blindly buying real estate like a sheep versus buying stock like a sheep blindly, just comparing over the long term. Real estate does better. If you have some skill and actively are investing in real estate, it far surpasses the stock market. And most importantly, with real estate, there's a limitation on risk that you don't get with the stock market, since real estate is not going to go to zero value, but a company can do that. Buying a publicly traded stock, you hand over all your control and you just hope that it works. You can't call the CEO and talk to him or offer to help the company. You bought the ticket and you're in for the ride whether you like it or not. Further, if you want to invest in companies, if you decide, I want to do some company investing, I don't think that buying publicly traded companies works as well as buying privately held companies that are smaller. The privately held companies have a much faster rate of growth. For example, from time to time, I've seen companies that have shares that might be priced at, for example, 10 cents or 10 pence. And over time, those companies in a short period of time, maybe a few years, they may go up in value to $1 to $4 or maybe £1 to £4 per share. The only reason for investing in publicly traded stock is if you just like clicking buttons on a mouse and find it fun to gamble on it. Look at Enron. That company had perfect financials. Oh, they were so beautiful, the financials that Enron had. And all of the genius analysts were all writing reports on what they thought was going to happen with Enron. They were all praising how great it was until it went broke and investors lost huge sums. So the best with investing is to invest with people that you know and trust, in smaller size companies where the business plan is understandable. If you want to put it in the stock market, I would suggest just sticking with an index fund. Index funds beat the majority of actively managed funds. It's easy to invest in the stock market, and that's why many people do it. If you don't have the time to look for opportunities in real estate or privately held companies, then you should reach out to someone like me. Establish a business relationship, and I can start showing you opportunities that you won't find when you log into Charles Schwab or your brokerage account. So the answer is real estate's the better choice. Thank you so much, and I wish you a good day.